When I went to my family village over in India, it was like very difficult. I like saw the lack of technology over there. I thought like they're kind of lacking behind the rest of the world, and I wanted to do something that would not leave them behind. I want to help my own people grow, and so many schools here in the US like already kind of teach the stuff, but it's kind of lacking in India. I just want them to advance as well, and the nature of wanting to share my interests with other people, and then thought of what kind of project I could do to like help them over there. And so then I developed my passion project. We were able to contact specific schools, and I used Arduino boards, which are like mini computer where you can program it with different devices connected to like build some sort of product. I showed them like different use cases for it. You can connect a humidity sensor, like a rain sensor, have it get weather data, and then have it like automatically water your garden. I made them build a smart fan with a temperature sensor and a screen. The fan speed was programmed based on the current temperature in the room. If the temperature is below 60 degrees in the room, the fan is turned off. If it's between 60 to 90, it's controlled by like an equation. The slot where the motor connects to on the board is changing the voltage inside to change the speed. And then combining those two together, I taught them to make the fan. They were super interested. When they saw like the temperature pop up on the screen, they were like super fascinated by that. A lot of the kids were like, when are you going to come back? Are you going to come back next year? It showed how much they actually like the impact. They actually enjoyed it a lot. I feel much more connected with India. It was featured on the newspaper there. That got printed. I think it was on like the second page of the newspaper. Just like that whole moment of being featured made me feel really good. The principal was thinking of my project and thought, why don't they teach all of this in their actual curriculum, like make it permanent? Building probably like permanent partnerships with these schools, continue this learning so it's something they learn year long. My mom pushed me to go through. Otherwise, I don't think I like would have gotten to this big of a scale if she didn't like push me. It's not just for your college application, it's something you should continue in the long term. If you have like a passion, don't keep it to yourself, share it with others.